Welcome to Online Tools Master, the channel where we simplify online editing tools for you. Today we're exploring the Round PNG Maker, a free browser-based utility by Browserling that instantly transforms ordinary rectangular images into circular or oval PNGs with optional borders. To access this tool, open your browser and head over to www.onlinepngtools.com. Then, search for the Round PNG Maker tool. In the Options panel, you can set the X and Y coordinates to choose the circular crop area, adjust the horizontal and vertical diameters to create either a circle or an oval, and even add a customizable border around your round PNG. In our first example, we take a portrait of a woman in a brown hat and turn it into a perfectly round social media avatar. We set the X and Y coordinates to 0 and the horizontal and vertical diameters to 640 pixels each. This creates a perfect circle.
To finish, we check on Draw a circular border in black color and 10 pixels wide.
Finally, just click Save As to download your round PNG. In our second example, we use a transparent PNG sticker of a retro television. We crop out a round area by setting X to 41 and Y to 49, with both diameters at 600 pixels.
To make it more stylish, we check on Draw a circular border in blue color and 30 pixels wide.
The result is a circular retro TV icon. Once ready, simply click Save As to export. For our final example, we turn a studio shot photo of Pearl Powder Cosmetics into a horizontally shaped oval label.
We position the crop at X to 24 and Y to 84 with a horizontal diameter of 860 pixels and vertical diameter of 660 pixels. We don't add a border this time.
When satisfied, click Save As to download your oval product PNG. Now it's your turn. Try out the Round PNG Maker at onlinepngtools.com and create your own circular or oval PNGs in seconds. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out our recent videos on the Icon PNG Blurrer and the PNG to CMYK color converter, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more simple tutorials on powerful online tools.